This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. Scenic lakefront, private setting. Custom built features cathedral ceiling with exposed beams. Stone wood burning fireplace, hardwood flooring. Open stylish floor plan. Spacious deck, yard and dock. Double lot borders green acres. Tranquil waterfront setting in a no-wake zone. Enjoy outdoor living on patio, side yard and lake. Well-appointed interior details from custom wainscoting, hardwood flooring, exposed beams, solid wood doors and trim. Kitchen, granite counters, breakfast bar, gas cooking, stainless appliances. Sunny dining area open to great room and deck. 2 bedrooms, full bath with soaking tub, separate glass shower. Option to convert garage to bonus room. Storage room in basement, great access from lakeside. Enjoy 4 seasons on Lake Hopatcong. Optional beach club. Boat, swim, hike, bike or relax, 1 hour NYC. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.